Hi everybody, it's Renee. Today we are going to make this parrot with our hands. The supplies we'll need today are markers, paper, pencil, and our hands. I also used this old book here, so if you don't have a lot of paper at home, you can use an old book that you don't use. You can use newspaper, recycled paper. Try to be green about it if you can. You could also use paint or anything else you'd like, crayons to color your parrot. You don't have to use markers like I do. So if you're using a book, you want to take the pages out first to trace your hand. It's easier. And I liked to use a marker because I could see it better. The pencil didn't really work well. And then you're going to color it in. It's much easier to color your hands in before you cut it out, so color and then cut. I also wanted to show you what it would look like on regular paper if you want to use that. So I'm going to do a couple of these on regular paper. And I'm going to use one piece of paper for two hands. Your hands will be smaller, so you'll use less paper. So this is sped up, obviously. I don't color this fast. I color nice and slowly so I can stay in the lines and be neat. So don't expect your coloring to go so quickly. Take your time with this. Now I'm cutting, and I am cutting in real time because I want to show you that you need to cut slowly and carefully. Again, take your time with the cutting and be careful. I like to cut off the big pieces and then go into the smaller pieces without heavy paper hanging off what you're cutting. It is easier. Okay, now I'm going to draw the parrot's body. I'm going to start with his beak. It is triangle shape, almost like a curved triangle. Almost looks like a wave too if you were to hold it the other way. Or a big tooth. So this is kind of light, but I'm going to make it darker so you can see with the marker. I'm just kind of sketching it out in pencil, which you can do first too if you like. I found out where his eye is going to go, up top towards the left corner of his beak. Now I'm going to use a marker, and this will help you see it better. You can also look at a picture of a parrot too when you're drawing this part. You won't need to draw the whole body. You're just going to do like his torso up, and the hands that we made are going to be the parrot's feathers. So here we've got his eye, and that C space is going to stay white. And then I'm going to color his beak with the black marker. I'm going to do the body of the parrot red. You can use different colors too. You don't have to use the same colors as I did. You'll notice I didn't make a blue feather, so I almost colored his body blue, but then I thought, no, I still want the body to be red. And you can do more feathers if you want. You can color the feathers different colors, so the hands don't have to be all one solid color like I did. So I'm going to use Elmer's Glue All regular glue. You can use any glue that you have at home. If you want and you don't have glue, you can also use tape. You can even make paste out of flour and water. So after I glue them all down, here is my finished parrot. I hope you all enjoyed this project, and I can't wait to see what you all have created. Have fun!